Hi, ma'am, sir. Good afternoon. I am Rosalinda Arenos. I am 45 years old. I am married. I have one son, 12 years old. We are five siblings. I am the youngest, the last one. I am working in Hong Kong for 2 years. I'm taking care of 7-year-old girl. My main duty is taking care of the kid, drop her to school and pick her from school, and go market and cooking, cleaning the house, and I can cook simple dishes of Chinese dish and Western food. Also, I want to learn more, and I can follow some recipes from the YouTube. Also, I was working in Middle East, in Qatar for 2 years. A couple with the 3 kids. I finished my contract for 2 years. And also, I was working in Kuwait for 5 years. Couple with the 2 kids. I can cook Arabic food and wash the car and cleaning the house and taking care of the kids. I love the kids and taking care of the kids. I love the kids as my own kid. I hope you can choose me. I am honest, cheerful, I'm friendly, and I'm flexible. And I can work for long hours. And I promise, if you choose me, I'll promise myself that I can finish my contract and I can work with you if you want me to work for many years. Thank you so much and God bless. Thank you, ma'am, sir. Bye.